My name is Taylor Christopher, and I'm the Vice President of Sales at Caldwell Custom Pools. So we have 5 full-time designers. They act as the sales agent. They actually design the swimming pool, and they are supporting in the material selection process. They will take the client from day one all the way until construction starts.
I'm John Caldwell. I own Caldwell Custom Pools here in Fort Worth, Texas. Every day we have roughly 35 trucks on the road. We have about 45 employees. We've got the construction company, which was, born 12 years ago. And then, shortly after the construction company, we figured out we were going to need service. And so we brought in the service side to warranty our own, equipment and things like that. And then after that, we started to see a need for remodeling, and then on down to the purchasing of all of our equipment, keeping it in-house. We just basically wanted to pick out the 4 or 5 pieces that we thought we could handle internally and that had the most impact on the end result. We then, just here in the last few years, have started our own excavation company. So right now today, we're handling phase 1 in-house, and then we handle the last phase in-house, and then 2 or 3 in between.
Once the project is sold and getting ready for construction, we do a layout meeting that is basically a kind of passing the torch type of meeting, where we go through all the construction details that we have designed and discussed with the client, with their project manager, who will now be in charge of running and building the project and making sure all those details get implemented and are a success.
My name is Braden Johnson. I'm a construction superintendent for Caldwell Custom Pools. Been in the business for a little over 10 years. Got my start with John and Taylor. Owning the excavation side of the business, controlling the schedule, allows us to get on jobs sooner, allows us to form and dig pools the way we want to do it, and we're not at the mercy of a third party. Communication at Caldwell Custom Pools, I believe, sets us apart. Customer service, answering the phone at all hours of the day. My role is just like every other superintendent that's at Caldwell Custom Pools. Our customers communicate with us solely from excavation to startup in the process of building the pool.
I'm Ralph Carter. I'm the startup manager for Caldwell Custom Pools. Our job is to essentially get the pool started and running after the water's basically in the pool. One of the most important things is the water chemistry. It's really important, for the plaster, on a brand new pool, to get the water chemistry, as correct as we can, as fast as we can. Having the startup process in-house, as opposed to being subbed out by some other company, lets us control the process from the start to the finish. We can make as many trips as we need to make sure that the customer is completely satisfied and that the pool is 100% complete.
I'm Matthew Stone. I'm the owner here at Personal Touch Pool Care. We provide weekly pool service, maintenance, warranty, and repair for custom swimming pools here in Dallas-Fort Worth area. We service 650 weekly services a week, and we have an additional probably 75 to 150 service calls a week. So, we touch 850 backyards a week. By having the checklists and standards that we've set, it allows us to provide a routine service that's seamless across the board from tech to tech to tech. I can show you over a month's time what separates us from the other guy. And you'll immediately know it probably after the first visit, from the door light hanger left on the door to communicate what we've done, to the problems we found and you're communicated with the next day, to tracking our techs and your bill at the end of the month for what we've provided and only what we've provided.
As part of our continued effort in providing world-class customer service, we have our own app that all clients have access to. This allows you to easily access your equipment manuals, request a service call or warranty work, and stay in close contact with our team.
We are the Matthews. We're in Fort Worth, Texas, and this is our first experience building a pool as a homeowner. The product itself is it's first class, and the experience, going through this experience, I'd absolutely build another pool with Caldwell in the future.
We decided to build a pool for our family, for entertainment, for our children, and we have used it every single day since we put it in.
I really can honestly say we are 100% satisfied and very happy with the end product. And I can't think of anything that we would change at this point.
When Taylor and I originally partnered up on J. Caldwell Pools, we wanted to provide a level of customer service that was kind of unheard of in the business. And we didn't want to only be a pool builder, but we wanted to build them a pool and then give them an experience that they would refer us on down the line. The biggest thing that anybody that contracts with us has to know is we're not going to stop until they're happy. We never turn our backs to the homeowner, they're the customer, and that's just something that I've instilled across this company is you keep going until they're happy. All of our logos say, our customer service, meeting construction, and there's two pieces of that. Sure, we're pool builders, but really we're customer service people, just so happens we build pools.
My goal as a designer is to make your dream come true. Of course, that's what we want to do.